Hey loves, I'm Naturally Curler and welcome to my channel. This is my braid pattern. Also, I'm not very good at braiding, so if you're going to judge me, please hit that like button for effort. It does help. Or that dislike button for anything. It just does help. Any kind of like or anything helps, hit the notification bell as well, because YouTube ain't trying to pay our asses anymore. So just hit me up, hit me up. And that's just how the back looks. I just did whatever. But I should have braided my hair a lot smaller, and my hair was definitely slanted. So that's what happens when you braid your hair at 9 o'clock at night. So I'm going to be doing the box braids with curly ends. This hair is from Afri-Naptural, color T1B, burgundy, and 14 inches. And I bought 8 packs of this braiding hair. It was $6.99 per pack. Then I'll be using FreeTress Braid Deep Twist color in 530, 14 inches. And I got this hair, both hair, I got them from Beauty Master over there by Greenbrier. For those of you that are in Atlanta, I'm not sure where you can get this hair. Personally, I probably can find a link to a website you can get this hair from. But this, I just went to the beauty supply store to buy this. The total I paid for everything was $68.51. So honestly, I wasn't going to buy any more hair. If this wasn't enough, oh well. So jumping right in, after playing around with it, I should have really just did my braid pattern a lot smaller. Even though I was still able to make it work, my part was so big, I literally thought I was parting the Red Sea for a moment. Like, it was just ridiculous. But I was able to finesse. Also, the crochet part of the braid was very tight and small, as you will see me struggling to kind of get the hair piece through the little hoop. I decided after a while to try just open it up with my own hands. I was really nervous that it might have, the braid might have started to come apart, and I was just kind of nervous, but I was able to open it up a little bit to get the hair through. But just keep in mind that that little hole is very small, so yeah. Overall, I did like how the style came out. The FreeTress hair, it did tangle on me, and I had to cut some, and the smaller I got into sections with the FreeTress hair, it's like the more it started to tangle on me. So I ended up just doing medium little deep waves in there. But that part is really just where you want to put it. As you can see, I'm like keeping spaces in my hair because I didn't know how big or wide, like how much of a space that the deep wave hair was going to do. And it did start unraveling on me at first with certain different techniques that I was using. I was doing it one way and then I was trying a different way, and you'll see how this video goes on. It's not really much for me to ramble. This is just pretty much you seeing what I'm doing, and if you like the style, then you can try it for yourself. At this point, we all know what crocheting is, whether we get somebody else to do it, whether we do it ourselves, whether we're better at it or we're not. I'm just going to show you that even if your braid pattern is not all that well, nobody's going to see that. They're going to see the hair. So, and I still was able to get compliments off of this hairstyle, so it is what it is. So it was worth the money, even though this October is around the corner. So I'm going to be getting out these October hairstyle videos, Halloween videos. I think I'm going to do Beetlejuice next. Feeling like a green afro is in my future. So this probably only be in for about a week. So $68. For those of you that, plan on keeping it, I think this hairstyle will last long, though, because of how the braids look, how tight they are, and how neat they are. After day one, it was a bit heavy. I'm now talking to you on day 2. So it was a bit heavy, but now, like, they feel good. Like, my head's not hurting like it was when I first did this. Like, my head was killing me, and I was like, wow, imagine if someone else did my hair. Whew, Jesus. I try not to go too much in the front part because I just don't want to weaken my edges, and the front part of your hair tends to be the weakest part overall. So my front part of my hair is already delicate because I have fine hair. So I try not to do too much crocheting in the front, but I still did a good amount just to make it look a little bit more better. And that's really it. I'll let you enjoy the rest of this video. So I'm just showing you how I finishing up, and that's really it. Okay, so this is the finished look. I was very happy with it. I didn't add a lot of the deep wave hair because it started frizzing up on me, and my ends of the hair of my braid hair looked a lot better, and I didn't want the deep wave hair to start to look older than the rest of my hair would start looking after a couple of days. So be careful on how much hair you use in that part. I do have some more makeup looks coming. I bought the new Anastasia Beverly Hills holiday collection, so look out for that. I just want to say thank you so much for watching me, supporting me. Please hit that notification bell so you know when I post, because I am random. I have to work outside of this. Those jewels I got from my local beauty supply store, so keep that in mind. We are almost to 60K. I'm hoping I can get to 100K soon, but really 80K. Let me not push my luck. If you want to see more looks like these, let me know what you want to see next. Love you lots. Until next time.